Oh, Frinkles.
Ale,
What's up, man? How you doing? Everything good?
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah? Bro, you want coffee?
Yeah,
All right,
awesome.
have a seat, bro.
You know what's upsetting me? I get this. I got this feeling, or I should say, people are saying what it takes to be a real Italian. You know what that means?
What it takes to be a real Italian. That's actually very simple. You think being a real Italian is the usual stuff that you see in the movies or in the shows? It's the slick back hair, all the whole gelled up hair.
Apparently that's what they say. What about
The gold chains.
Bullshit, bro.
bullshit? You think it's the watch and
On the right, or if you put it on the left.
pinky ring? Can't be Italian without a pinky ring. Bro, bullshit. You think you're what? The pinky ring?
That's gonna make you a real Italian. The fucking pinky ring.
Can't be Italian without a pinky ring.
How about the gold bracelets?
The clothes.
The clothes.
The clothes.
What, the fancy clothes? That makes you Italian?
The place with the big chains and the gold chain. Oh, this guy's Italian. He's cool. That makes you Italian? Exactly. Because
You see why I'm upset?
Let me tell you something. Besides our parents migrating here with nothing because we migrated from a different country, you know what makes you real Italian? I have the answer for you, frate. O sangue che ti scorre nelle vene, frate. O sangue, the blood that runs through your veins. That's what makes you a real Italian.
È puro o cuore.
Bravo, vedi cos'hai. And most of these people that you're talking about on social media, idde una parola in italiano, manca sanno ride. I guarantee you. So scordatelo, fra.
Hai ragione.
Bro, a salute.
A salute.